Here you go, Whiff.
Thanks, Toby.
Toby Gordon told me that you have to take some trucks to the Vickerstown Museum.
I'm on it.
Hello, Toby.
Hi, Thomas. I'm going to the museum today.
Museum?
Yeah, isn't it exciting? I better go now. Goodbye, boys.
Toby's going to the museum? But he's such a useful engine.
Well, Toby's going to the museum because...
Because he's old, I know. Come on, we have a delivery, and I have to figure out how to stop him. These sure are heavy. Wait, you can't go.
I must go, Thomas.
But you...
Thomas, look out!
Whoa!
That was close.
You boys need to be more careful.
Thomas, you should know by now to drive on the left.
Sorry, James. Come on, I can do it.
Hey, Bruno. Do you need help?
Yes, but just a little push.
A little push. Got it.
Whoa, I'm so strong. I wonder if they'll break down Toby. I hope not.
Right? Okay.
Bruno, help! Stop the bend! Ow.
Thomas, are you okay?
I'm alright.
I'll go get Carly.
There you are, Thomas.
Thanks, Carly. Thanks, Percy.
You're welcome.
No problem.
Come on, Bruno. Maybe we could get to the dots to make this delivery on time and catch Toby.
But Thomas, I looked at the schedule and...
I know we're late, so let's make tracks. Here you are, Cranky.
Thanks, Thomas.
I'll take a third off, yeah?
Thanks, Salty. Now let's go, Bruno. We're almost there. Let's fast track this. Toby, you're safe.
Why wouldn't I be?
You said you were going to the museum.
Yeah, to make a delivery.
Oh.
I was trying to tell you that.
Sorry about that, but I'm glad you're okay.
Taking letters to the mainland and back.
The mainland, Percy, wait!